My name is Charles Okeke. I am an Igbo man from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. I am gay. I am a homosexual. I am living my life. I am doing the things. I have a podcast that is called Igbo Queer and Unfiltered Podcast. It is on every podcast platform. It is on YouTube as well. Welcome to the African Igbo Gay Vlog channel. We are going to be doing what needs to be done. It is about representation, visibility, freedom, truth, and just being myself. We are who we are, and who we are is not wrong. I am going to be doing some vlogs, fashion content, commentary, reflections, homophobia, everything that has to do with LGBTQIA+, anti-gay laws, and all of it. This channel is for you if you are gay, if you are queer, if you are queer from Africa, queer person of African descent, if you are an ally. I just got up not long ago. I still am trying to get myself ready. We are going to spend the day together. I am going shopping with my man, grocery shopping and snacks literally, because we have most of the things we want. I am going to go and shower. I am happy that you are here, that you are joining the movement for freedom, visibility, and representation. We stay moisturized, hydrated, glowy, juicy, and unbothered here. Let me go and get ready. I will see you in a bit. I am ready. I am waiting for my man to finish what he's doing. He is working, so I just need to wait for him to come in quickly, and then we'll go get grocery. The African Gay Igbo Vlog channel is the vibe. We are going to do what needs to be done. We are going to do fashion. We are going to do skincare hauls. We are going to talk about homophobia. We are going to talk about anti-gay laws. We are going to do some reflections, some affirmations. We are going to do what is needed because representation, visibility, truth, and freedom matters. We are on our way. So I was waiting for my baby because he did his daily meditation. He is so centered, not like me, that is Higgy and Haga. Today is grocery shopping for mainly snacks. Baby, where do we go first? Take pictures first?
Yes.
We are going to go take pictures because I said I wanted to get pictures. What I was thinking was just getting the picture in the supermarket when we go shopping. But obviously he's going to take the pictures for me on the street because he's the best. Afterwards, we then go get the groceries. My baby is always doing the best for me. It looks like spring and it's deep December. Next week is Christmas. Can you imagine? Next week is Christmas and it is like spring, aside from being cold. We will go do the pictures quickly and then get the groceries. I love this particular biscuits, cookies that they sell. I got it a few days ago. Actually, it was the day before yesterday when we went for an appointment and I got these sandwiches at this particular store as well. I just love these cookies. It is becoming problems for me somehow, but I love it. It's vegan. We finished taking the pictures and went to this consignment store that I saw a few weeks ago. They have some really cool stuff. I got a scarf and a brooch from Swarovski. The scarf is from Gucci. They have some really cool hair scarves as well, and some bags and some jackets. But the scarves were just really nice. The Swarovski brooch, my baby was making fun of me and was saying, oh, it's a scorpion. I'm so happy with it. The Gucci scarf, there was a woman that wanted to get the scarf as well. I don't know why she didn't want to pay with her bank card. She wanted to get cash from the cash machine. By the time she came back, we bought it. This is really good. I'm so happy. Nobody has used this scarf, which is really good. Some of these people who insult me that I think are repressed gay men, and they are really mean, disrespectful and things like this. If I happen to know that any of them is gay, I know this might sound very crass and very wicked, I'm going to out them. I'm not going to protect anybody that is a repressed gay man that wants to be mean, attacking queer people and just think that it's okay. What do you think?
I don't know. I don't believe in outing anybody, but if he's an asshole to gay people, then maybe he deserves it. I don't know. I really don't know.
For me, I have compassion and I understand their problem and I can empathize and I understand all of those things. But
if it's a gay person that is down low and is attacking other queer people for being queer, then maybe it's justified. I don't know. It's really difficult, because if it really fucks his life up by doing so, is that justified? You know, I don't know.
I know what you mean. Let's go and get our groceries. What do you want to get, baby? Why are you checking that? This supermarket is the same as the one we go to as well. And we came here the other day, and the cookies I was talking about earlier is cheaper here. I'll get one of it. Or two, actually. Two. And I'm going to get lemonade as well. My baby is looking for pizza. Not pizza, sorry, for cheese, I think. Did you get what you want?
Got some hummus.
Oh, hummus. That's...
But you could do it, I'll make it out there.
Okay. We got all the snacks. I didn't get much. It was my baby that was picking up everything. Baby, you were picking so much.
No?
You did?
No?
You did.
Who picked up in the shop?
Okay, me. I only got 2 cookies and 2 lemonade. That's what I got. The girl at the till was thinking that I was recording her. Maybe she was just wondering what I had in my hand, because I had my camera and I was like, I'm not recording you, it's fine. Everywhere is a mess. I just got into the kitchen. We just got back, okay? So this is the shopping bag for the snacks. I got these 2 lemonades. I usually get the bigger ones, but they don't have the big ones, so I got the small ones. So I was talking about the favorite cookies that I like. I have some already. I am addicted to this. You have no idea. I'm addicted to this, and this is bad. But I love them so much. So I got 2. We are supposed to be shopping for Christmas next week, but my baby wanted some sweets, so he got these waffles. Oh no, rice cakes, hummus, cacao. Oh, the hummus is 2 hummus, rice cake, and then some cookies as well. I'm just going to show you this in my kitchen. I don't really care. I'm going to show you the Gucci scarf and the brooch. Let me get them quickly. This is the Gucci. The scarf is in this. This is so freaking nice. I love it so much. I know how I'm going to style this already. See? So nice. Yeah. This is just so perfect. This is new. It hasn't been used. Person bought it and never used it. So I got it at a cheaper price, which is good. This is actually really great. The Swarovski one, she puts it in a Gucci box for me. The brooch, let me show you the brooch. She put it in this case for me. Oh, the receipt is in here as well. That's the receipt. That's the brooch. I'm going to put it here or on my heart, or most of the times here. This is really chic. I love it. Love it. So that was the damage we did today. Anyway, I'm just going to go and relax. Thank you so much for spending the day with us and doing the things. If you have watched up until here, let me know what you think. Thank you so much. Make sure to join the movement for truth, visibility, and representation. Thank you for supporting the community. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.